Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you chapter first, nature and significance of management. So first of all, I will explain you what is the meaning of management. So first of all, meaning of management means an art. Management, what is management? Management is a art. What kind of art? It's getting work done through others. So दूसरों के थ्रू काम को कंप्लीट करवाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ management. But this is a narrow view. If you talk about broad sense, or so it has been defined through that art and science. So it means management is art as well as management is science. So why management is science? Because management is connected to the policy making. So policy making is very important part of management. So any institution and the planning of the individual. So first of all, policy making and planning. So both words are very important in management, because with the help of policy making and planning, managers do their work done their work with the help of any collective employees or collective efforts for the adjustment of activities and implementation of पॉलिसीज. सो इफ आखिर प्लानिंग और पॉलिसीज होंगी तो डेफिनेटली मैनेजर्स जो भी वर्क है एम्प्लॉयज़ के थ्रू एक साथ ले सकता है और वो वर्क इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता है उस पॉलिसीज़ में. एज वेल एज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वर्क they achieve their target very easily, they achieve their task very easily. So this is the meaning of a management. So this is a diagram. So there are 7 fundamental elements of management. These elements is very important for management, and this first is movement is time, man, material, market. So man is employees, materials that is your orders, purchase orders. Market, you all know what is market, because if production is completed, definitely that production is sell out in the market. So method, which method they use for complete their task. Money is also very important. Finance is very important to do any work in any organization, whatever it is, small organization and it is large organization. And last is machine is, we also call we use technique word is also used. So with the help of new technologies, definitely it will help to work done very easily and on time. So here the definition of management. So first is according to the C.W. Wilson, and please write down this definition and these all notes in your notebook. According to the C.W. Wilson, to achieve certain objectives, the process of circulating and directing human power is called management. So achieve certain objective, कुछ objectives को पाने के लिए क्या किया जाता है? डायरेक्शन दिया जाता है ह्यूमन पावर इज एम्प्लॉयज़ को. तो जो डायरेक्शन, जो प्रोसेस है डायरेक्शन देने की, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ मैनेजमेंट. So this definition is very easy and you have to learn. So first is, next point is features or characteristics of management. So first of all, management is a practice. So if we talk about any organization, without management, no any organization do their work very easily, and because without management work is impossible in any organization. So we also call management is a soul of any organization. So management is also a practice along with a branch of the organized knowledge. So management is a practice. So if we implement the management in any organization, definitely we have to expertise of any organization. We have to know the expertise of any organization. They have to knowledge about any organization, what how can work in any organization, what it is a technique of working in any organization. The success of organization depend on the practice use of management principle. So if any organization they use good principles of management, definitely this kind of organization success in very short time. So explaining the management as a practice, Peter F. Drucker has written that management is a practice. According to Drucker, management is a practice. Its essence is not in knowing but in doing. It is only one authorization is performance. So if we do their work on time and they're doing again and again, definitely if employees and managers doing their work regularly, definitely they easily achieve their task, as well as with short time they success in their organization. Second is management is related to human organization. Management deals only with human organization. It means management is always deal with human resources or employees rather than animals, physical resources, lands, building and other non-living things. So third is management is a process. We also call management is a continuous process. If we talk about establishment of any organization and end of any organization, management management is present all time. If we talk about started and if we talk about end. So management is a process of organizing physical and human resources to attain the prescribed object. Only through the management process the resources of organization can be transferred into production and profit. So if we use management continuously, definitely the resources we use managers use their resources in a good manner, and definitely these resources is useful for production and profit of the organization. Fourth is management is a social process. Management is considered to be a social process because in it the interconnection of the people are also included. An industry or a business is a community in itself which is conducted with the help of various categories. So it means if any organization done their production on time, definitely these production and these product is useful of other people. So if we talk about profit earning, so if how they get profit, definitely if they give their good product to the customer, so and customer utilize their product continuously, so definitely any organization take more and more profit. They can take more and more profit. So last is management is both an art and science. So management is both science and art. As a science, management is a systematized body of knowledge. If we talk about science, so management done their work with the full of knowledge and with the full of policies, methods and techniques. As an art, management is a practical use of theoretical rules. And if we use about command of the employees, so they giving orders and commands to the employees, and definitely employees done their work on time. So these 5 points is very important in for characteristics and the features of the management. So in another class I will explain that is objective of management, and that is very an importance and need of management. The both point is very important for your exams.